In this video, I'll show you how to use master slides and layouts in Google Slides. Master slides in Google Slides are managed through something called Theme Builder. Google's official Slides help says a theme includes colors, fonts, backgrounds, and layouts, and the layout controls how text and images are arranged on a slide. That means Theme Builder is the place where you make design changes once and have them reused across your presentation. First, open your presentation in Google Slides on your computer. Then go to the top menu, click View, and open Theme Builder. This is where you work with the main theme slide and all the individual layouts connected to it. The top slide controls the overall theme, while the smaller slides underneath are the layouts you can apply to different pages in your deck. This setup is reflected in Google's Slides theme and layout guidance. Now start with the top theme slide. This is the best place to change things you want to apply everywhere, like fonts, colors, placeholders, logos, or recurring design elements. For example, if you add a company logo here, it can appear across your presentation without copying and pasting it onto every slide. This is the main benefit of using master style editing instead of changing slides one by one. After that, click one of the layout slides underneath. Layouts are for specific slide types, like a title slide, a section header, or a content slide with text and images. If you want only your title slides to have a certain design, edit the title layout. If you want all content slides to use a certain text position, edit that layout instead. This makes your whole deck look more consistent and saves a lot of time. Once your layouts are ready, go back to the normal presentation view and apply them to individual slides. Select a slide, then choose Layout and pick the design you want. Google's help also notes that on mobile, you can change a slide's layout, but the deeper theme and template editing tools are really centered on desktop. A simple way to think about it is this. The theme slide sets the global rules, and the layouts control the structure of specific slide types. So if you want consistency, branding, and faster editing, Theme Builder is the tool to use in Google Slides. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.